Spring is here. It's time to organize. Have you been in the middle of cooking dinner and you need something from the pantry? But when you open the pantry door, it's a wall of stuff. I've got your answer. Stay tuned for tips. Hi, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 tips for organizing your pantry. It's best to have a clean slate when organizing. Empty everything out of the pantry and give it a good cleaning. Take stock of what you have. Keep what you use, get rid of what you don't use and the expired items. Organize goods according to use. Boxes on one side, canned goods on the other, and small appliances on the bottom shelf where they can be reached but not in the way. You will feel so much better once your pantry is cleaned and organized. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first and your dream home is only a click away.